Welcome to PRF 1026 Physics 2, Physics Poster Exhibition or PhyPEx, Critical Thinking Session, CTS, a case-based learning strategy, stimulates open-ended investigation of physics problems, fosters dialogue, and nurtures creative problem solving. Instead of merely listening, students engage in collaborative problem solving to tackle complex, real-world challenges. Although time-intensive, these activities can be highly rewarding when learning goals are achieved. CTS begins with an overview of the topic and associated theories. Students are then presented with a real-life scenario and a series of questions to resolve. Guided by these queries, students identify and define the problems, gather information, analyze and interpret their findings, and prioritize evidence in their responses. They subsequently draw conclusions based on their interpretations and understanding of physics. Finally, students share their findings in a discussion. In CTS, students are required to present their findings through a poster presentation during the Physics Poster Exhibition, PhyPEx. In science education, visualization acts as a bridge between the brain systems that encode verbal, words and phrases, and visual, pictures, information, thereby enhancing comprehension. Consequently, in this session, students will generate ideas using posters, a visually engaging and dynamic medium for information dissemination. This strategy, grounded in key principles, enhances the learning environment and captivates audiences. Posters facilitate knowledge synthesis and creation, enabling students to organize and present information creatively and succinctly. They stimulate critical thinking and problem-solving skills by requiring the analysis, evaluation, and application of diverse information sources and perspectives. Moreover, posters foster collaboration and cooperation through group work and idea exchange among students and audiences. They accommodate unique learning styles, abilities, and interests, offering customized learning opportunities. Lastly, posters provide an innovative platform for students to showcase their work, offering an alternative to traditional slide or video presentations, thereby enriching the interactivity and engagement of the learning experience. PhyPEx CTS was designed with the following objectives: 1. To apply relevant physics concepts to the interpretation of real-world physics problem. 2. To enhance students' soft skills, particularly their critical thinking, problem-solving and collaborative abilities. 3. To improve students' digital competencies, including design, layout, organization, and ethical citation practices. 4. To strengthen students' communication skills and boost their confidence levels. PhyPEx CTS is implemented in 3 primary stages. The initial stage involves a briefing and the introduction of a trigger based on a real-life situation related to physics concepts, accompanied by a set of questions for exploration. Students are briefed on the flow, stages, structure, and timeline of PhyPEx CTS. In the second stage, students engage in self-directed learning, researching ideas and learning issues from reliable sources. They then discuss these within their groups, generating facts, ideas, and learning issues. During this stage, students may participate in troubleshooting sessions with the instructors. The final stage requires students to present their findings in a poster presentation and conduct peer assessments. This approach encourages active learning and fosters a deeper understanding of the subject matter. In PhyPEx CTS, students are organized into teams of 4, with each member actively contributing ideas and solutions to the assigned problem. Active participation and cooperation are crucial, as students will evaluate their performance through self and peer assessments at the end of the session. Pre-activity and post-activity assessments are also required to gauge their performance. Students receive a real-life problem trigger 3 weeks before the submission date, providing ample time for research and group discussions. PhyPEx CTS thus facilitates collaborative work in groups, enabling students to find and evaluate research materials. As the triggers correspond to the learning units of the current semester, students can enhance their performance. by expanding their knowledge through these discussions. All triggers are uploaded via the e-learning enrichment and advancement platform, ELEAP. Students, in their respective groups, are expected to review all triggers to gain a comprehensive understanding of physics concepts, as they relate to real-life problems. Students work in predetermined groups, as assigned by the course coordinator, to complete this assessment. In PhyPEx, CTS, students are assessed through instructor evaluation, 15%, peer and self-assessment, 5%. Each group presents at the PhyPEx within a 30-minute window, answering questions from 2 judges. One judge, from the physics course, assesses scientific information, poster presentation, and overall presentation and QA. The other judge, from a non-physics course, mathematics, biology, informatics technology, or chemistry, evaluates the poster presentation and overall presentation and QA. The inclusion of judges from other disciplines aims to enhance students' communication skills and confidence in explaining physics concepts. Through peer and self-assessment, students' critical thinking, problem-solving, and collaborative skills are evaluated. This assessment is accessible and can be completed upon poster submission via Microsoft Form. Thank you.